Everybody, so this is the box I got in the mail, and I wanted to show you guys the unboxing, so here it is. Oh man, I've been waiting for these for so long. Oh wow, I'm already excited. I haven't got them on yet. Let's see. So, there are two of them in here. Gotta be real easy because these are so flat and fragile, so they don't stick up from the window. They're trying to make them as inconspicuous as possible for the upgrade. All right, let's see the first one. Put the tape over. All right. So this is definitely just roll fiberglass, and it's not even perfected right here, but on this side it looks perfect. It looks great. There's a little bit of flash on here, so I am going to sand these down, get them ready, and we're gonna wrap these so they're already primered, which I like. We're gonna have to look at what this light looks like on the bottom, and we're gonna set this up to both lights, the green light and a clear light, so you can get an idea of what it's gonna look like before we do the wrap. The wrap is gonna be another video, but I wanted you guys to see what I'm working with. This is the piece right here. I'll show you the other one. And what this is this is going to change the headlights from 986 to an upper class of 987 or a newer 911. So I think that would be the 997, has a more rounded headlight. And some of the Caymans, it's just a different application. But for me to go out and buy the upgraded front would have probably been like $4,000. But I got these for $107, which are like some Chinese knockoffs. That's why it took it a month to get here. But you can see I just need to do a little bit of sanding, and then I can paint them whatever color I want. You can buy these from some companies that are pre-painted and ready to go, but they're like $400 or $500. And why am I gonna buy painted ones when I'm gonna wrap them carbon fiber anyway? So let's take it over to the car, and I'll show you what it looks like on and off the car with the green tint, and on and off the car with a regular headlight, and you can make your own decision. So here's what it looks like before. As you can see, regular Porsche 986 991 light for the 996, and all I did was tint it to give it a little bit of kick, something different. It's gonna go with my theme. And this is what it looks like with the upgraded face. So instead of buying a whole new fender, all new lights, a different, well, maybe not a different bumper, but it would form differently. I just bought this insert piece. Man, it makes a difference, right? Makes a huge difference. So we're going to wrap this carbon fiber, and we're going to wrap this bumper carbon fiber and see what it looks like. And I'm going to put Velcro on this so I can take them on and off. So see what it looks like now. And then regular 986, and then this is like a face upgrade. Regular face upgrade. What do you guys think? You like it? Oh man, it makes the car look so different already. Just that little thing makes the car look so different. I'm so excited. And in a future video, I'm going to fiberglass one of these myself and teach you how to make these. All right, Kreationz, we love y'all. Give us a thumbs up. We're spending that money, baby. You want us to spend that money so we can get reviews, pimp out these cars, make them race cars. Well, we're doing it. So hit me up with a thumbs up and a subscribe. Share this out. Leave me some comments. You like it? What color do you want me to make it? All right. We love y'all. Peace out.